It's free set and forget traffic source, and you attract thousands of red hot buyers on autopilot. So during the training, you're going to be shown all of these steps here, how to get free traffic in any niche, market, or industry. You don't need a website, no email list. This is not Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, things like that. This is something totally different, and this is something that's easy to do, easy to set up. Takes less than a minute to set up, and it's just really easy to follow. And this comes from Matt and Rhodes. Let's see, down here, it shows what you get. There's some bonuses, 3 major bonuses, 8 over-the-shoulder free traffic secret videos. You get a 1-minute free traffic secret software to help speed up and automate things. And then you get a free traffic workshop, 0 to 100 daily visitors. So you can take a more detailed look at the sales page here, and let's take a look inside the member area. And for purposes of this interview, I am not going to reveal the source of the traffic. That's not for me to reveal, but I will say that even if you knew the source, without this training in John's program, you wouldn't know how to take full advantage of all that the platform has to offer. And it's a site that works through social involvement. Like I said before, it's not Facebook or Google or LinkedIn. John's going to show you the site in detail. He's going to show you smart strategies and tips to get even more mileage out of your time and effort. And inside the program, this is video-based training. So you can sign up here to get updates, and the videos are right inside this member area, and there's 22 videos altogether. So you've got a lot of detailed training. You can stop, you can replay it back, you can follow along and implement right as you're watching the video. This will work for any niche, any market, any business. You can send people to sales pages, your affiliate pages, blog post, opt-in page, squeeze page, wherever you want your traffic to go. John's going to show you a few things on how to get this going quickly, how to speed things up, and how to speak. You're actually going to be writing, but it's like you're talking to a friend in an email or a letter. So it's not hard to do. You don't have to be a copywriter. You don't have to have any special skills. So he shows you how to get things set up and put into place, and how to manage the system. Now, I can't go any further in the member area because that would reveal the website, the source of the traffic, and that wouldn't be fair to John for me to do that. So if you want free traffic, if you want free targeted traffic, then I would encourage you to take a close look at this and give it a try. This is something that anybody can actually implement. It's very easy to do, and I will leave the review there. There is an upsell or two. You don't need the upsell to make this work. And the upsell is 1-minute buyer clicks. That also comes with a free secret software and some more bonuses. But for today's review, we're looking at 1-minute free traffic